Monemvasia, a hidden gem nestled on the southeastern coast of the Peloponnese in Greece, is a truly enchanting destination that captures the essence of history, natural beauty, and romance. Often referred to as the Gibraltar of the East, Monemvasia is characterized by its medieval charm, breathtaking landscapes, and rich cultural heritage. The heart of Monemvasia's allure lies in its remarkable medieval fortress town. Connected to the mainland by a narrow causeway, the town is a preserved time capsule, where cobblestone streets wind through ancient stone houses and Byzantine churches. The imposing fortress, perched atop a rocky hill, offers panoramic views of the Aegean Sea and the surrounding landscapes. Exploring the narrow alleys, hidden courtyards, and stone archways of the town feels like stepping back in time to a world of knights and traders. Monemvasia's cultural heritage is celebrated through its historic sites and architectural treasures. The Church of Hagia Sophia, a Byzantine marvel with stunning frescoes, stands as a testament to the town's religious significance. The upper town, where the noble families once resided, is adorned with impressive mansions and offers glimpses into the town's aristocratic past. The town's romantic ambience is heightened by its coastal setting and beautiful beaches. The lower town, with its charming waterfront, offers a relaxing atmosphere for strolls along the sea, dining in waterfront tavernas, and enjoying the mesmerizing sunsets. The town's pristine beaches, such as Pori Beach and Gafira Beach, invite visitors to bask in the Mediterranean sun and swim in the crystal-clear waters. Monemvasia's culinary scene is a celebration of Mediterranean flavors and local ingredients. The town's restaurants and tavernas offer a range of options, from traditional Greek dishes to seafood specialties. Freshly caught fish, locally produced olive oil, and flavorful Mediterranean herbs are among the ingredients that define the region's gastronomic identity. For those seeking exploration beyond the fortress, the surrounding region offers opportunities for outdoor activities. The Monemvasia Castle Path, a scenic hiking trail, provides a chance to discover the region's natural beauty and enjoy panoramic vistas. The nearby islands, reachable by boat, offer additional landscapes to explore and pristine beaches to relax on. Monemvasia is a destination that seamlessly blends history, culture, and natural beauty. Whether you're wandering through its medieval streets, immersing yourself in its cultural heritage, enjoying its coastal charm, or exploring its surrounding landscapes, Monemvasia promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Greek history, romanticism, and the timeless allure of a place that transports visitors to another era of beauty and wonder.